Watch News 15. We won't waste your time. More opposition to Prop 203. That's the plan that would pull the plug on bilingual education. Parents, teachers, and students at Tutuila Charter School in Phoenix spoke out today against the so-called English-only initiative. The school teaches children in English and Spanish, a program which allows all students, no matter their background, to learn both languages. If Prop 203 passes, it could do away with that program. Those in favor of Prop 203 say that under the current bilingual programs, too many children aren't learning English. You will get to decide when you vote, and that will be, of course, on November 7th. The Roosevelt Elementary School District is being forced to overhaul its bilingual education program. The changes come after this group here, Parents United, complained that the district was not meeting language needs for Spanish-speaking students. The Office of Civil Rights investigated and ordered the district to step up its program and add more bilingual teachers. The district superintendent says the program will stay in place even if Prop 203 passes.